Right, this tutorial is just basically about how do I model an existing working prototype and turning it into something that's a little bit more stylised in the form of our clamp. So what I'm going to have a go at is grabbing an image that's suitable for loading into our model. What I'm going to go for is dinosaur head. Now, when you search for an image in Google, you'll find that the first thing it picks up is images that aren't really suitable for using in our project. So, quick little tip, if you go to Tools and Results, you've got different ones here where it says black, cute, drawing, etc. Drawing is the one I usually pick, or sketch, and it will bring up something similar to what we need. Now I'm going to go for something that is more of a profile shot, something along those lines. Save it, and then I'll show you what to do next. So I'll just get rid of this. So right hand mouse click and then save image as, and put it in the folder where you'll be able to find it. So get rid of that. Now back to this one. I've got our assembly where the two parts are going. What I need to do now is open the part, and what I'm going to do is model this dinosaur head onto the surface of our clamp. So I need to edit the sketch first so I can actually make some edits, and I'm going to go File, Insert, Tools, Sketch Tools, Sketch Picture. So I browse for the location of my clamp, mark 4, and my dinosaur head. As you can see, the dinosaur is way too big, so I'm going to resize it first. And also I'm going to rotate it so it lines up with the clamp that I'm going to model. And I'm just going to lay it over the top of that until it fits. Just a bit more adjustment. As you can see there, I've got my basic clamp working, and I could quite conceivably just trace over this now, which is what I'm going to do. So I've got it in position, and now I've got a basic shape that could potentially look like a dinosaur. So what I'm going to do is delete some of these lines that aren't critical to what we're doing. And I'm just going to use my couple of different tools, like the spline tool, to start working on this idea of what will look more like a dinosaur. Yeah. I'm not going to worry too much about the teeth at the moment. Just want basic shape. To spline tool. There we have. Now when I take my, so I'll just save that. Save. Rebuild. Close. Okay. So what's happened there is that the extrusion isn't complete. So when I hover over it, you can see there's a bit missing there. To fix that, just delete the extrusion for now. Delete, yes, and then it will come back. So now, sketch. Get rid of that drawing out of the way. I'll just finish off this last little bit. protrusion looks more like the bottom of his jaw. In place of that, I could model some teeth on there, but I don't want to do that for now. But when I exit Sketch and rebuild, there's my new model. All I have to do now is just redo the feature, just to make sure. And I know it's okay as soon as the feature fills in, means there's no leaks. 3mm. Rebuild. Save. So now, hopefully, when I go back to my assembly, it's changed. It's got a little bit upset because of some of the mates that have changed because of what I've done to it. But I'm starting to get more of a clamp that looks like my dinosaur head.